Hi guys, so today, how are you? Today I want to show you how to apply makeup for beginners. Bado kuna watu hawajajua kutengeneza makeup. I don't mean that I'm a professionist, but I want to show you how to do it for beginners. I know there are still people who still do and they go. So I want to show you how to do your makeup for beginners. Meanwhile, subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on my channel, you'll be the first one to be notified. Otherwise, nawapenda sana. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Our love. So, number one, I want to show you my products, what I use. And by saying what I use, I don't mean that is what you should use. That is what I use. Don't mind my face. I suffer acne. Yeah, I have acne. Na bado sijafika kwa daktari. But meanwhile, let me show you how I do it. I have this. This is foundation. Mia Kiss Beauty. Inaitwa Pro Coverage. I have this one. This one here. It's a black opal. It's a foundation. I have this one. This is a gloss. I have this one. This is setting spray. I have the brush. I have a sponge. I also have this foundation. It's a black foundation. In our to dark skinned. Yeah. I use this Ponds. This is green tea Ponds. You can see it. I have my eyeshadows. This is what I use. I have this. These are my lipsticks. There are 6. These are Chamax. 6 of them. I have this one. This is eyebrow brush. This one. So it's for shaping your eyebrows. Nazi shape vizuri. Yeah, I have that one. I have the eye pencils. Sijali nimezitumia sana. I have this one black and brown. I have this one. This is concealer. This color. This is what I prefer using. I have the eyeliner and mascara. And this one, it's a gloss. This one. So let's go. Alafu mtu anakuambia ati nikuja unipake makeup free with all these stuffs. Na wewe nimetumia pesa mingi. So meanwhile, myself, unaona sina primer, sija kuonyesha primer hapo. So I use this one as a primer. So this is what I use as a primer. I use this one as a primer, my setting spray. I'm sorry, imeniingia kwa macho. I will not do the edges. Juu hata hii masaa nafanya tu then nitaitoa tu hii makeup juu hakuna mahali naenda. So I not do the edges. So I have the primer. I use that setting spray as the primer. So I prefer using naanza na hizi eyebrows. Juu hizi kuchora, this is where we draw their line. So I will start with them. Make sure your eye pencil is well sharpened. Isika hivi, like, I don't know whether you will see. Isika hivi, brand hivi. Okay, ama hivi. Yes, like this. Isika hivi kwa imeshapeniwa vizuri. Like this. So mi natumianga zote mbili, ya black na ya brown. So this is how I go. Let me use this kioo. Juu sina ile kioo kubwa iko huko. So let me use this bigger. Hapa ndo kazi hukuwa. And remember, I didn't say I'm perfect. Like that. So unaona line ya kwanza ya chini nimeidraw all the way from here to here, like imecut. Ndo hii imecut huku kote to this side. Then ya pili iko hapa halfway. Like that. This is black eye pencil. Then nachukua brown eye pencil. I feel it, like I'll feel like this. See, like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Juu kwanza mimi sina nini. So the other side. Kwanza hapa mbele unakaa una feel hivi. Like that. Like that. Naona sijapaka mingi, nimepaka tu kadogo, like kuguzililia tu, si ati no, pole pole. Like this. Myself, I use brown eye pencil to fill. So I'll come and pick this concealer. Naekelea hapa. Na hii imeisha, imekaa though. Imeniserve. But before I get to this, first do like this. Na mahali imefutika this side. So I come and pick this one. You see? Then I go straight from here. No. And the other side. Like that. We always try hard eyebrows zikuwe sisters, like zifanane, but sometimes zinakatanga kukuwa sisters, zinakuwa brothers. So the upper side too. Now I'm at the upper side. This is blending. Whatever I'm doing right now is blending. Not blend, blend. I hope my eyebrows are marrying. Like I hope zinafanana, but I can see this and this hapa mwisho. I'll have to do something. But meanwhile, juu hakuna mahali naenda, I'll do this one again. Just leave it like that. What is important is understanding the main part, right? So after nimeblend hivi, I use this, then nichukue my concealer. I'm done with eyebrows, by the way. Nishamalizana na eyebrows. What am I doing now? Nipake hapa here. By the way, I usually mi hutumia nini? Natumianga concealer ikuwa kama base, like the base. Sinisha tumia setting spray, then nakuja natumia concealer ikiwa kama base, ndo tena ni apply foundation. Baba. Hey, makeup will come and show us some things one day. I'm just happy how setting spray inafanyanga makeup ikae like ishike hata kama uso yako ni oily. I remember times when we used to use sponge like this. So nowadays we do like this. Oh, can you all remember those days? Once I'm done, I'll use this, or let me use this Pro, because this is also Pro. So I'll use this foundation. The difference ni color, by the way. Sio kuna difference ingine kubwa. Color tu. But basically mi hupenda kutumia ile ya Oppo, hii ingine ya naitangwa ya Opal. Hiyo ndo mi hupenda kutumia. But today Let me use this one. Makeup. Ukifanya makeup lazima ukuwe patient, usikuwe na mbio. Wengine wenyu ile mbio yenye mnakuanga lakini mimi imagine 30 minutes. 30 minutes is enough for me. Nikuwe nimefanya makeup kila kitu. After nimeifanyia nikuwe nimetoka mbio sana kuenda mahali nilikuwa nafaa kuenda. As I said, okay, you should not use, si ati juu mi natumia hizi types, hizi products ni the same ati unafaa kutumia. No, that is not what it should be. Unaweza enda tafuta yenye iko yenye itakufurahisha, but before you do that, make sure you can understand your skin type. Don't mind my hair, hitaji kutolewa, nitaitoa tu once niko sawa. Yeah, I feel I'm okay. I've blended it nicely. Yeah, so next ni eyeshadow. Hapa mtanisamehea, mi si mtu eyeshadows, but I just do them for the sake. So I'll use this concealer. So we go. So I'll use very simple colors. So let me use black. Let me tell you something. Hii nini yangu, hii space yangu ya eyebrow, ya eyeshadow ni ndogo. Sasa naweza paka eyeshadow na ukose kunote. Just want to blend two colors. That's a black color. Then I blend it with let's see this color. I'm a blue. Let's blend it with blue. Let's see how it will be. Yeah, it looks nice. And the other side. Yeah. So after we are done with eyeshadow, we go to eyeliner and mascara. So I'll first shape the eye. We, jameni. This happens. Like that. Once we are done, sorry, why am I even crying? 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 Anyway. So I use my eyeliner. Ibidi kumbe ilikuwa ifike huko kote. the other side too. Let me cut to me. So once we are done with that, we're gonna go to lipstick. So I don't know which lipstick I should use. Let me use this. No, let me use this one. So I will use this eye pencil and draw a line, a thick line. Like that. Then I take my eye pencil. Not my eye pencil, my lipstick. For my case, I'll use one type. Sitatumia two colors. Like how? Like that. Back to this. And my sponge. And now because I'm done, my pons. Ooh. My pons. Here you are. My pons. And that is it. Hey. Hello. Comment down there to rate my makeup. Then I will end it by using my spray. Oh my goodness. Oof. Ukiingia kwa macho ni stress ingine, but sasa light eyeshadow. Having it like that, hey, acha tu, itakaa the whole day fresh as it is. Just wait it to kauka. And yeah, That is how I do my makeup. Meanwhile, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that turn it on so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first. But I don't like me. I don't apply this thing. You see this thing? Me imagine just let me do it. Do away with it because I don't use it. That something. So now with me. Yeah, this is my look now. See what I have done. See what I have done. Anywho, who is me? Thanks for watching. Nawapenda sana. I love you. Comment down for more tips. I know I'm not perfect though, but I love myself how I am. Like I can't go. Siwezi enda kwa our who are they? These people who do makeup. Those people. Siwezi enda kwa kuambia nifanyia makeup. The little I know that I will do it and I know I'm the best. Bye. Thank you.